I step on stage, break a leg and a ligament.
That's true.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe. You know what?
If you can spit it fatter and protracted, I will. My skills known for knocking niggas out like NyQuil.
2, 1. It's a smash hit.
We need a
Baby, 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 baby. It's a smash.
Alright.
Check this out. Check this out. Check this out.
I step on stage, break a leg.
That's true.